How to manifest anything. The scientifically proven method. In a world driven by goals and dreams, the concept of manifesting one's desires has gained immense popularity. Manifestation is the process of turning your thoughts and desires into reality through focused intention and belief. While it may seem mystical, there is a scientific basis to manifestation that we will explore in this video. By the end, you'll have a clearer understanding of how to manifest anything you desire successfully. But before we begin, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for such amazing and informative videos. What is manifestation? Before diving into the how-to aspect, let's establish a foundational understanding of manifestation. Manifestation is the practice of attracting positive outcomes or materializing your desires through the power of thought and intention. It involves aligning your beliefs, emotions, and actions to bring about your goals. The science of manifestation. Many skeptics dismiss manifestation as mere wishful thinking. However, recent studies in neuroscience and psychology have shed light on the science behind it. The brain's reticular activating system, RAS, plays a crucial role in filtering information and focusing on what's relevant. When you set a clear intention and focus your thoughts on it, the RAS starts noticing opportunities and resources that align with your goal. The 10-step method to manifest anything. Now let's delve into the practical steps to manifest anything you desire. Step 1. Define your goal. The initial stage of manifestation involves achieving clarity. It necessitates the precise delineation of your objectives. Whether your aspirations revolve around securing a new job, enhancing your health, or attaining financial prosperity, it is imperative to be exceptionally specific about your desires. This specificity sets the foundation for successful manifestation by providing a clear target for your intentions and efforts. Without a well-defined goal, the manifestation process lacks direction and purpose, making it challenging to channel your thoughts and energy effectively towards realizing your desires. Therefore, the first and crucial step is to articulate your aspirations with utmost clarity and precision. Step 2. Visualize your desire. Visualization serves as a potent instrument in the manifestation journey. By shutting your eyes and immersing yourself in a vivid mental picture of having already attained your objective, you tap into the profound potential of this technique. It's not merely about seeing, it's about feeling the emotions intricately linked to your accomplishment. As you visualize, let the elation, satisfaction, and contentment wash over you, as if you are experiencing it in the present moment. This process aligns your thoughts, emotions, and intentions, amplifying your manifestation efforts and forging a powerful connection with your desired outcome. Step 3. Set clear intentions. Intentions serve as a guiding map on your journey towards manifesting your desires. When you commit your intentions to writing, it's essential to frame them in the present tense, as though you've already realized them. For instance, instead of stating, "I want to be financially secure," declare, "I am financially secure." This shift in perspective reinforces your belief and conviction in your goals. By phrasing your intentions in this way, you send a clear message to your subconscious mind, aligning it with the reality you wish to create. It's a powerful step that amplifies the manifestation process and propels you closer to your aspirations. Step 4. Positive affirmations. Repetition of positive affirmations is a pivotal practice in manifestation. By reciting these affirmations daily, you fortify your belief in your capacity to manifest your dreams. An example of such an affirmation is, "I am deserving of success and happiness." These affirmations function as empowering declarations that replace doubt and negativity with confidence and optimism. Consistent repetition embeds these beliefs into your subconscious, gradually altering your self-perception and attitude. This shift in mindset not only bolsters your manifestation efforts, but also cultivates a profound sense of self-worth, aligning you more closely with the attainment of your desires. Step 5. Take inspired action. Manifestation is not synonymous with passive waiting for miracles. Instead, it involves taking purposeful and inspired actions toward your desired goals. These actions are the catalysts that align you with the opportunities you seek. By proactively pursuing your aspirations, you become an active participant in your own manifestation journey. Your efforts send the clear message to the universe that you are committed and ready to embrace the opportunities that come your way. It's the synergy between intention and action that propels you forward. Maintaining a positive mindset. Maintaining a positive outlook especially in the face of challenges, is paramount in the art of manifestation. Your mindset wields profound influence over the manifestation process. Even when obstacles arise, unwavering belief in your abilities remains the cornerstone of success. A positive mindset keeps your thoughts and emotions in alignment with your desires, attracting more positive energy. It acts as a magnetic force, drawing opportunities and solutions closer to you. By nurturing a resilient, optimistic attitude, you empower yourself to surmount obstacles and continue progressing toward your goals, ultimately solidifying your manifestation journey. Step 7. Gratitude. Cultivating a daily practice of gratitude is a transformative aspect of successful manifestation. Expressing gratitude not only for what you currently have, but also for what you're in the process of manifesting is crucial. Gratitude acts as a potent tool, elevating your vibrational frequency and drawing positive energy into your life. When you acknowledge and appreciate the blessings, both big and small, it sends a powerful message to the universe that you are open to receiving more abundance. Step 8. Let go and trust the universe. Releasing attachment to the outcome is a pivotal element in the manifestation journey. Trusting that the universe is conspiring in your favor allows your desires to unfold naturally. Overthinking and doubt, conversely, can act as formidable obstacles to manifestation. When you fixate too much on how and when your goals will materialize, you inadvertently introduce resistance into the process. Letting go of this attachment doesn't imply apathy, but rather a deep sense of trust that your intentions are being heard and addressed. Step 9. Surround yourself with positivity. Your surroundings wield a substantial impact on your thoughts and emotions, playing a pivotal role in manifestation. To enhance your journey, it's essential to envelop yourself in positivity. Surrounding yourself with positive people, inspirational books, and uplifting experiences can significantly bolster your manifestation efforts. Positive influences reinforce your belief in your goals and keep your energy aligned with your desires. These influences act as catalysts for maintaining an optimistic mindset and nurturing your belief in the manifestation process. Step 10. Patience and persistence. Manifestation is a journey that unfolds over time, requiring patience and persistence. It's crucial not to lose faith along the way. Trust that your desires are making their way to you, even if the timeline is unclear. Impatience can introduce doubt and disrupt the manifestation process. Stay committed to your intentions, take consistent action, and maintain a positive mindset. By embracing patience and persistence, you affirm your unwavering belief in your goals, creating a powerful resonance that attracts your desires closer. Manifestation is a scientifically proven method that combines the power of your mind, emotions, and actions to bring your desires to fruition. By following the 10-step method outlined in this video, you can unlock your potential to manifest anything you desire. Remember, manifestation requires dedication, patience, and unwavering belief in your abilities. So, if you're interested in learning more amazing information, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get notified by our new videos. Please like and share the video. Don't forget to comment down your views on this. Thanks for watching till the end.